Bonjour, aloha, kia ora, mabuhay. Hello tasters, hello world. If you are new to my channel, my name is Franz Gabriel. Welcome to my channel, welcome to Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz. Hey tasters, happy Hearts Day. Today we'll be making unicorn pastel ice cream. This treat can be made any time of the year, whether it's cold or hot. Also, you can make this as a special treat for your Valentine or your special loved one. And plus, Valentine's Day doesn't have to be just for your wife, your husband, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. It can be for anyone in the world. Give it to your neighbor even. So today we will be making that. Without further ado, let's make this ice cream. I am so excited because this tastes really good and it's super simple. Let's get on with this video. Okay, so the first step to making our ice cream is to take whipping cream. Make sure you don't use like the regular cream you buy in cans or in those cartons, because they don't work and they don't whip up. So you want to make sure you specifically use whipping cream and whip it up. I'm only doing like a small part of the recipe because like we don't need a lot of ice cream here. Like, even though it's delicious, like sometimes like you just want a treat every once in a while, if you know what I mean. Okay. And then whisk it up. You can totally use a machine with this, but I'm just gonna do it manually. Okay. Make sure your cream is also cold. I'm not sure if it's true or not, but I heard that when your cream is cold before you whip it, it whips up faster. The opposite with egg whites, but I don't even know if the egg whites make this true. This is not how you whip cream. At this point, we can now add in our condensed milk. You want the condensed milk to be cold so that it won't crystallize when you freeze it up. I'm just gonna add small spoonfuls of the condensed milk because this whipping cream is already very sweetened. Well, not very sweetened, it's just the good amount. Okay, let's get up more. I don't know if you can see that. That smells so good. It smells like popcorn. It's almost well whipped. You don't want it to be too stiff, neither too soft. This is almost the right consistency. You want the consistency of your ice cream base to be when you flip this bowl over your head, it won't spill on your head. So that's like a big risk. Like if you don't whip it properly, like you're gonna be removing whipped cream from your hair and be really, really sticky. I pray to God that this is well whipped enough to not fall on my head, or else this video will just be a fail because we don't have extra cream. Yes! That scared me a lot. I'm just gonna add a bit more condensed milk and fold it in with a spatula. Just be very careful and light with how you mix it, especially if you're not going to be using a whisk. Of course, if you're gonna whip up the cream, you need a whisk. But when you want to mix it, you can totally just use a spatula. Gentle, gentle. That's very smooth and silky. This is a vegetable cream, so I'm pretty sure it's vegetarian. So it won't hurt your butt if you're lactose intolerant. Hopefully. Now we are going to separate our ice cream base into multiple bowls. If you want to make like a cookies and cream flavor, you can totally do that. You can make any flavor if you want. Like a raspberry cheesecake. That sounds really good. Or like a strawberry. A blueberry cheesecake. That sounds really yummy. Okay, I should stop thinking about other flavors of ice cream and just do the step. Okay. I'm gonna put very little in every single one for now. Okay. The next step is to put food coloring in every single one of these. I'm going to be doing 5 colors, but you can do as many colors as you want. If you're going to be using gel food coloring, use just a small amount because gel food coloring is very overpowering. You can't decrease the color, but you can of course increase the color if you want it to be more intense. So be very careful with how much food coloring you put. The color is around a pastel light yellow, and it's really pretty. Okay, so now we're finished mixing up our colors. Here's a montage. Okay, so now that we are done mixing up our colors, let's put our ice cream into our container. First color is in. Next color, green. Okay, I'm gonna make a bigger dollop. Purple. And now, pink. Then just repeat the process over and over again until your container is full. I prepared a container and put my sticker on it, just to be a little extra. Now that we are done making our ice cream, let's put it in the freezer to actually turn it to ice. Well, an ice cream. It's just not fully frozen. I already have a pre-made ice cream right here, so now I am going to scoop it out. Oh wow, that's a lot of color. Like a lot of color. Yeah, that exists in a kid's dream. Okay, let's try it. This looks like something that would be in a kid's dreamland. Ah. That's so good. This is perfect. It's so smooth and luscious. This tastes fancy, like high class. Well, to me it tastes like it. Because like it's so smooth and so soft, and when it melts on your tongue, it's just a beautiful symphony. If you know what I mean. Like it's... What's the best way to describe what I'm feeling in my mouth? It's kind of like a custard, but like frozen up, then turn it to ice cream. Yeah, that's this. It's so good. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button and the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of when I post a new video. Also hit that like button, and if you have any comments or suggestions of what video I should make next, please leave them down below and I will try to make it happen. Also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook pages at homemadebyfranz. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget, happiness starts in the kitchen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Lush Taste Homemade by Franz. Toodles and Happy Hearts Day. I'm gonna take this with me.